Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming system requirements and enabling virtualization. This lets Android run efficiently on PC. Once done, reboot into BIOS or UEFI, enable Intel VTX or AMD and save changes. Make sure Windows updates are current and you're signed in as an administrator. That avoids permission errors during installation. Next, download a reliable Android emulator or the Windows subsystem for Android package. Pick one based on performance needs, because that choice determines installation steps and app compatibility moving forward. You now install the Android environment. If using an emulator, run its installer and accept required Windows features like Hyper-V when prompted. These accelerate virtualization. If using Windows subsystem for Android, install WSA and then sideload a compatible Google Play Services bundle. Adjust virtual device settings, assign CPU cores, 4+ GB RAM, and enable GPU acceleration to improve app performance. Once installed, launch the virtual device, unlock developer options if needed, and prepare to You finish by sideloading Google Play Services and the Play Store APKs that match your Android image. Compatibility matters, so use packages for the same Android version. Once installed, sign in with your Google account and allow updates. Play Services must update to authenticate apps. If an app fails or the store crashes, clear app data, reinstall the APKs, or increase the emulator's RAM and CPU allocation. Finally, reboot the virtual device. If issues persist, disable conflicting security software and retry the installation sequence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.